Alright, y'all, so the hair is done, period. Y'all ain't had a bust down sewing in so long. Like, I haven't had one in so long, y'all. So it's done, because I usually get curls and stuff. So right now, when I'm me and my quarter one because it's really cold, y'all. But yeah, so right now I'm finna go to get my eyebrows done and stuff like that. My nail appointment is tomorrow. So yeah, y'all. So, but I'm finna get my eyebrows done. Yeah, how y'all like it? I had my camera set it in the wrong camera thing. I usually do 60 HD and I had it on 64K. I don't really like it on that. So it probably look a little better now, I guess. But y'all, I'm so mad because the girl that do my eyebrows, she still require a mask. So I gotta try to go in this beauty supply store and see if they got some masks. I ain't got no mask in here, but it's just like, why do you still require a mask? Like, who still require a mask? Like, the fuck? You can get COVID without a mask. I mean, with a mask on or without a mask. So like, who the hell still require a mask? But I'm finna go in here, y'all, and see if they got some masks in here. I hate like asking, do y'all got a mask, and then just walking out and not getting nothing. But I mean, shit, I need a mask though. But I hate doing that, y'all, like, for real. Period. The eyebrows is big to life. Your girl is big to life. Period. Woo! I've been needing my eyebrows done, y'all, for real. Like, I've been needing them done, like, for real. But yeah, y'all, I'm not finna do nothing else. Probably finna go home. So yeah, I really need to get me something to eat, but I really don't know what to eat. I really don't really know what I want to eat. So I think I'm gonna just wait, cause I'm the type of girl that like I eat and then like some hours later I get something else to eat. So it's just like, you know. So yeah. So I'm gonna just wait, because I don't think I'm really that hungry right now. Alright, y'all, so your girl made it home. Let me show y'all. Good bust down. Stop playing. Stop playing. Don't play with my stylist. I don't know that. Period. And her motherfucking egg gonna be right there at Shakina Diddy. And if you in the motherfucking St. Louis area, or if you come into the motherfucking St. Louis area, you need to get your hair done by her. Period. 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 But nah, y'all. So, if y'all, let me show y'all a little bit, you know. Fit check. It ain't nothing too. I ain't got nothing too, you know. That special. Ooh. Y'all, I'm probably finna go to sleep and take a nap, y'all. I was up so early this morning, and I'm tired. Like, I'm so tired. But, whew, the girl be out of breath. I need to go work out. But now, y'all, so, what was I finna say? Oh, yeah, so, I get my nails done tomorrow. The thing about, so I get my nails done tomorrow, y'all. So, I'm supposed to get my nails done tomorrow at 5:30, but they don't have no openings today. So, hopefully I get my nails done. I already got my eyebrows done and my hair done, so period. Hopefully I get my nails done though. Hopefully the snowstorm not too bad, y'all. I'm so mad. Like, I even called them. I mean, they called me or whatever, and they was like, the girl switched my appointment, because the girl that always do my feet and stuff, she gonna do my feet and my nails tomorrow. So they switched her to do my appointment, so it's gonna be at 5:30. But I was like, she ain't got nothing today, and they was like, nah, she don't. She ain't got nothing. I'm like, oh my god, like, I'm so mad because I don't want this snowstorm, whatever the fucking shit is, to fucking ruin my motherfucking nail appointment and my motherfucking toe appointment. Cause your girl feet look a little mess. They look like a mess. She's fat. And look like else. Like, no. So yeah, y'all. So I pray and I hope that, but it's only like 5 minutes away from my house, so that's not bad, but it is bad to knowing like how much the snow gonna pile up. Like, it don't matter if it's like a minute away from your house or like a second. Like, the fuck, if you can't get out your driveway or something, how the fuck you gonna get there? Cause bitch, I ain't shoveling shit. You hear me? But yeah, y'all, so I'm probably gonna go to sleep because I'm tired. I'm like so sleepy. Like, I hate getting up early. I'm gonna be knocked the fuck out. But if you a tourist out there, comment down below, cause you know it's a tourist thing. Like, we love to sleep. No matter where we at, we gonna go to sleep if we tired. I don't care if we at somebody's house, if we at the movies, if we not at the mall, not so we ain't gonna go nowhere. If we in a car, shit, we in the motherfucking shower, motherfucking toilet. If we tired, we gonna go to sleep. Period. But yeah, so yeah, my nail appointment tomorrow. So, yeah, praying and hoping I get to get my nails done. Yeah. Praying and hoping. Pray for me, yeah. Pray that I get to get it done. I'll be mad if I can't get my nails done. Like, it ain't really that big of a deal, but like, I'm gonna be mad. Like, I'm gonna be mad. But I told myself I'm not gonna let nothing stress me out. I'm gonna give it to God, and I'm gonna just stop stressing about stuff. So if I can't get it done, then the video not gonna be done, because I'm gonna still give y'all some content no matter what. I don't care. But I'm gonna give it to God. I'm not gonna stress about it. I'm done stressing about stuff, because when you stress about stuff, you get old looking. It can look bad because you're stressing. You ain't glowing. Your skin bad. You know, you wake up with a negative attitude. You're negative. You got an attitude. You're just mad at the world. You mad at the world. And who's gonna be mad at the world? Not me. Not me. Because with nails done, a toes done or not, I'm still a bad bitch. Don't play with me, okay? So, yeah. So, I'm gonna take a nap and then see y'all when I get up.
The next day.
All right, y'all. So I'm gonna be on my way to my nail appointment. It's a lot of snow out here, y'all. I mean, it's not that much. It's not really that much snow, but it's a lot of snow on my car. I'm waiting on my car to defrost. I really want to reschedule, but I'm just go ahead and go to this around the corner. So yeah, y'all, we gonna see, cause this is my car once it got the driveway. It ain't that much snow in front of the driveway. I mean, in front of like where my car is. But for some reason, my car do not like the snow. Like, it do not be wanting to go in the snow for real. So, like, it drive in the snow, but like my car be stubborn. Like, my car is like a summer car to me, I feel like. But yeah, so yeah, y'all know how these Jettas be. They got their own mind. If they want to act right, they want to act right. If they don't, they don't. So yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the nail shop or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna see. Y'all gonna know if I rank it or not. What do you think? So your girl made it back home. Yeah, that snowstorm, a mess. It's so cold outside. But yeah, your girl made it back home. These are my nails. And then let me show you. She wrapped them, but these are my toes. Period. If y'all can see, she wrapped them, so yeah. She had put some oil on it and wrapped them in like that plastic or whatever. But yeah, y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This maintenance vlog. Oh, I'm talking to, she always talking to my dog, messing with him, y'all. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, this maintenance vlog. Comment down below what other videos y'all want to see me do. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye. Bye.